Hey guys, welcome to another VN tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to introduce character in your video. So to make this video we need three softwares. First is VN video editor, second one is Pixel Lab, and the third one is Canva. All of these softwares are free. You can download them from App Store or from Google Play Store. So let's start the video. So I have imported the clip that I'm going to edit in this tutorial, and first of all I'm just going to apply the filter to this clip, and after that we will do our character introduction thing. So just playing with adjustments and making it look better than it was before. So in this video I will suggest you to not to skip any single step, because every step is important, and if you're gonna miss any step you might not be able to make such character introduction. So now we are done with our filters, color grading, and now the next step is we're gonna stop the video where we're gonna introduce the character, and now we will add a freeze filter here. So now we have added the freeze filter here. We will have to export the video now, and after exporting the video we will have to go to our video player, which whatever you got to play videos, we will go into that, and then we will play the video that we have exported. So I am going to VLC to play the video, and now I'm playing the video. When I will reach that freezing point, I will have to stop the video and I will have to take the screenshot of that. I will take screenshot here. So now I'm taking a screenshot, so just wait a little bit. I have taken the screenshot. Now you have to go to a website called remove.bg. This is where you can remove the background of your character. So I'm going to this website, typing remove.bg. Once you go in this website you have to upload your image. So I will upload the image of that character. So now I have chosen the image, it's uploading, and after uploading it will automatically remove the background. So as you can see, the background has been removed. Now I'm going to download this image, and the image has been downloaded. Now next thing is to go to Pixel Lab, and in Pixel Lab make sure the image size is 1280 into 720 pixels, which is the YouTube standard dimensions. And now delete the text and go to layers and make it transparent. We don't need any background. And now click on that plus icon and import an image from the gallery, the one we cleared the background. Now create it bigger, and now go to layer effects and search for stroke and apply a white stroke on that image. So now we have stroke on our photo. We're going to save it to the gallery. To save it, click on the save icon, and there will be option save as image. Click on that, and now click on save in gallery. Now we will have to go to Canva, and make sure you type YouTube thumbnail so that you can make it. Now I will choose a blank template from here, and after that I will click on the plus icon and go to uploads, and I will upload the image that we taken the screenshot before. We have to upload that image. Once we upload that image, you just adjust it with the canvas, and after that go to the adjustments. So once you go in adjustments, just blur the image and make necessary adjustments. There is nothing important in this photo. We just need that for the background. So I'm just adjusting this image right now, And now the most important thing is to add a element here just search for text box, and I will import that orange icon. It's free, you can use it in your projects. So I will just put it on the left side, and now I will change the color, and now our image is ready. I'm going to export it. You can download the image from Canva for free in high quality. So now we have got the image. Now we will have to go back to our VN video editor, and now replace the freeze frame with the image that you downloaded from the Canva. And I will make it about 2 seconds. I'm gonna expand it a little bit. So now we will have to import another image in the third layer as the corrector that we exported from Pixel Lab, and bring it downwards in some place like this, and make it 2 seconds. Now make sure that image is selected, go to the start and add a keyframe. Now I will add a keyframe here, and now go a little bit ahead and add another keyframe, and keep the playhead on the second keyframe and increase the size of the image and adjust it on the right place as I am doing that. If you have not watched my animation video on VN Video Editor, you can go and watch it. I have told how to use keyframes to animation. Now we will add text, and I will choose as standard, and I will give this man a name as John. And now I'm gonna put that John on the left corner, and I will add first of all I will make it 2 seconds so it matches the clip, the freeze point. And now I will add a keyframe here and make the opacity to 0, and we'll choose a font as which one looks better. Now in the second keyframe I will move the text to the middle of that text box, and I will increase the opacity to 100%. And keeping the playhead on the second keyframe, I will add more text, and I will write C worker as it's his profession, and we will put it under the first text and make sure that his name is bigger than his profession, and make it 2 seconds. Now our introduction video is ready. I will just import the music in the background so it looks more good, it sounds more good. So now I will show you the exported variant. So if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. It took a lot of effort, and if you want to see more tutorials on VN Video Editor, I keep them uploading, so please subscribe, and thanks for watching.